Chief Minister Omar Abdullah on Friday said the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan that has been put in abeyance by the centre in the wake of the Pahalgam attack was the most unfair document to the people of the Union Territory and has never been in favour of it. Also, Government of India has taken some steps as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Let's be honest, we have never been in favour of the Indus Water Treaty, Omar Abdullah told the reporters here after a meeting with the various tourism, trade and industry bodies. Also, in the aftermath of the attack in which 26 people have been killed, India on Wednesday downgraded the diplomatic ties with Pakistan and announced a raft of measures including the expulsion of the Pakistani military attaches, also suspension of the Indus Water Treaty of 1960 and immediate shutting down of the Atari land transit post. Also asked about the centre's decision on the Indus Water Treaty, Omar Abdullah said that the Jammu and Kashmir has always believed that the IWT has been the most unfair document to its people. Now what's the medium to long-term implication to this are that it is something we have to wait to see, he added. To a question whether the government would reward the bravery of the Poliwala Sayyid Adil Hussain Shah was stood up against the armed terrorists before being killed, Omar Abdullah said absolutely. Shah is a symbol of not just Kashmiriyat but also Kashmiri hospitality and is also responsible for the rewarding, and also his family deserves respect and we need to keep him memory. Also, the Chief Minister said that the government will find a suitable mechanism to that. He also announced that Maharashtra tour and travel operators have decided to adopt Shah's Rishin and family to take care of the education needs from now until they complete their education and also help the family in the days and years ahead. Also, Omar Abdullah said Friday meeting condemned the killing and the untidily raised voice against such attacks. Also, I thank all the participants in the meeting. They clearly said that the attack was not done in our name and that they were not in favor of it nor will be in the future. We regret that it happened. Some suggestions have been kept before the government so that such things do not happen in the future. I have assured them that all the suggestions will be implemented, he